What if stronger legs didn't start in the gym, but in your sleep? One simple spoon before bed can help your body rebuild while you rest. This isn't magic or hype. As we age, our bodies lose muscle, especially after 60, but the rebuilding doesn't happen during exercise, it happens during recovery. Tonight I'll show you a gentle bedtime routine that supports that repair window. During sleep, your body shifts into repair mode, restoring tissues, including your leg muscles. If the body has the right nutrients available, it's more likely to maintain and rebuild instead of breaking down overnight. That's why what you have before bed can make a real difference. The goal is steady fuel through the night. A slow digesting protein or a gentle whole food blend before bed can provide a slow release of amino acids, your muscles building blocks over the next several hours. Think of it as keeping the lights on in your muscles while you sleep, especially the legs that carry you all day. Strong legs protect your balance, make stairs safer, and help you get up without assistance. When leg strength slips, freedom slips with it. When legs stay strong, confidence and independence return. Option A. A slow digesting protein, casein, is the classic choice. If you're dairy-free, look for a soy-based or plant blend designed for sustained release. Measure about 1 scoop to reach roughly 20 to 30 grams of protein. Mix with warm water or milk you tolerate. Sip 20 to 30 minutes before bed. Option B. A cozy whole food blend. Warm milk or a high-protein alternative. Plus, -1/2 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon chia seeds. Stir, sip slowly, and let it work overnight. Option C. Dairy-free and gentle. Warm soy or pea protein milk for base protein. Add 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 1 to 2 teaspoons natural nut butter if tolerated. This keeps the release steady without dairy. Build the habit by pairing it with something you already do, brushing your teeth or reading. Prepare your drink right after dinner so it's ready. Start with smaller portions if you're sensitive to new foods at night, and increase slowly as you feel comfortable. Do a quick baseline today. Time yourself standing up from a chair 10 times. Hands across your chest if you can. Repeat in 2 weeks. Notice how getting up feels, how steady your steps are, and whether stairs feel less intimidating. Small improvements add up. Choose options that fit your body. If you're lactose intolerant, choose lactose-free or dairy-free. If you manage blood sugar, pick low-sugar bases and watch added sweeteners. If you have kidney issues, are on blood thinners, or take regular medications, check with your clinician before adding protein or turmeric. Stronger legs don't have to start with sweat, they can start with a spoon. Try your bedtime blend tonight and tell me how it feels in a week. Comment 1 spoon if you're in, and tap the next video for 2 simple daytime moves that supercharge this nighttime routine.